Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have not only my November Glossy box, but also a limited edition Bumble and Bumble Glossy box collaboration. And I'm going to unbox and review both of them on camera with you today. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into both of these glossy boxes with me, stay tuned. All right, I'm going to start with the Bumble and Bumble box because I'm going to be honest, that's the one I'm more excited for. This is a full takeover box by Bumble and Bumble, all about their new curl line, which I'm really excited for because obviously my hair is very curly right now. It is kind of pinned up on itself, but I promise there are curls in there somewhere. It's time to get your curl on with this extra special limited edition Embrace Your Natural Hair and Enhance Your Beautiful Curls with Bumble and Bumble Curl Collection. That's a mouthful. Formulated with ingredients to reduce frizz, restore shine, and nourish your hair, this range has everything your curls are craving. First item out of the box, this is the Bumble and Bumble Curl Moisturizing Shampoo. Retails for $31. This moisturizing, curl-loving shampoo is enhanced with a rich blend of avocado, coconut, jojoba oil, along with shea and coconut butter to deeply hydrate hair, reduce frizz, and add shine. Plus, it is a non-stripping, color-safe formula that is free of sulfate cleansers. I'm really excited about that. I'm definitely very conscious of the ingredients that go into my hair care, so I'm excited to try this out. The second item is the 3-in-1 conditioner, rinse out, leave in, or you can use this to co-wash. Retailing for $34. This is the perfect duo for your beautiful curls. The conditioner that pairs with the curl moisturizing shampoo can be used in 3 different ways: a rinse out, a leave in, or a co-wash to keep dryness out and hydration in. The next item is the defining cream. This is a $16 value. The rich UV protective cream helps to create movable curls without the crunch while shielding against drying and damaging effects of the sun. Hydrosculpt blend and a butter and oil blend combine moisture and styling benefits to keep your curls hydrated and shiny. After that is the BB Curl Anti-Humidity Gel Oil. This is the $6 value, trial size. The first 2 products were full size. This one is travel, and then this one is a deluxe sample. Finish off your hair routine with this nourishing gel oil hybrid. Protects against UV damage and humidity while adding some bounce and shine to your hair without a heavy, greasy feeling. And the last item is the one I'm probably the most excited for. This is the Bumble Curl Reactivator. Retails for $13. Give your curls an extra boost with this super moisturizing mist. The hydrating formula is especially helpful when you're in a rush or on the go. Easily revive and replenish the nourishment of your curls with a few quick spritzes. Now, when I do a full hair routine, and I'll link a video up above where I talk about a full hair routine, this is everything you need. It's a shampoo, a conditioner, the leave-in, which you can use the conditioner as either, a style cream, a gel, and a refresh. So I'm excited to give this a try. Make sure to stay tuned for a favorites video coming up so I can give you the full tea on everything in here, what I'm loving and what I'm not. So stay tuned for that. And let's jump into the November Glossy box. All right, for the November Glossy box, the theme of the month is Beauty Desires. This month, we are embracing elegant, timeless, and sophisticated beauty. Let us tempt you with the soft, silk-like textures that caress your skin and make you feel your glow inside our charming Beauty Desires edition. Words are hard today. I can't, keep my words straight. Feel beautiful, precious, and sexy in your own skin. Enhance your inner radiance and give your chilly November days the soft beauty touch. The first item comes from the brand Cella. This is the Hello Beautiful Mini Eyeshadow Palette. Obviously, my eyes are already done. I have used quite a few brands from Cella in the past, and they're good, so I'm not upset about this. This is a $20 quad. 4 shades of this palette: Charisma, Radiant, Purpose, and Intention will transform you into a glam, confident version of yourself. Buildable and high pigment, this palette ensures that you will amplify your inner and outer glow. Once again, this is a $20 value. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial with this. I feel like I've done looks like this a million times over. It is brown in the crease and to define, and then any shimmer shade, and then the light one in the inner corner. Super easy to use, not a ton of versatility. If you really want a tutorial, comment down below and I will be happy to do one. But you've seen me do 1,000,001 looks with products like these in the past that I don't think you need to see me do it again. Next, from Figs and Rouge, this is the Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix. The primer is designated. The primer is designed to fix your foundation and finish your complexion for complete matte perfection. It is a silicone-free, pore-minimizing, anti-blemish to absorb oil, so you have beautiful, smooth finish without any breakouts. This is a $52 value. That is going right into my to feature bin because I will be using this in an upcoming video. Next, this is from the brand Vitabird C12. This is the Daily C Balancing Cleansing Balm. This is a vitamin C and Kahai oil makeup remover. So you can use this as a cleansing balm. I've got like 10 cleansing balms, and my favorite is always the Pharmacy Green Clean. I love trying new ones, but I actually have 2 backups of the Green Clean. So I'm going to set this aside. If you have not used the cleansing balm, I definitely recommend trying one. I think that they are such a slept-on staple in my beauty routine, and I think so many people should be trying them out. But again, I have so many that I love. So I'm going to set this aside and probably try this when I'm done with the ones I have, because I love the ones I have, and I really don't want to, like, you know when you don't want to move on from your holy grails? That is totally me right now. Next, from the brand Commodity Paper, this is a lightweight, effortless, what is this? It's a fragrance. Okay. So, lightweight and effortless, this opens with ISO E Super and unique and woody molecular note. Then, as the minutes pass, the secret comes to life, and you'll notice the ethereal skin musk, followed by a soft, sweet trail of amber. Retails for $10. I want to smell this. I have so many fragrances, and I really don't need more. But you can never have too many travel fragrances. Okay, so this is leaked already, so I don't even have to spray it. It smells nice. It's definitely a little on the, like, floral musk, which is the kind of family of fragrance that I like. So I'm going to put that in my travel bag and play around with that, because just with what leaked, I think it smells really pretty. And the last item is from the Beauty Crop. This is the Oui Cherie Lip Oil. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment has a pH color-changing formula that works with your unique pH level to give you a custom shade. Perfectly suited for your skin tone. It also nourishes your lips. Retails for $12. Let me just double check the ingredients here. All right, no allergens. So I'm going to set this aside as well and have this be another product we're going to try out in an upcoming video. So normally these glossy boxes are very hit or miss. I'll get 1 or 2 products that I'm really excited for and some that are complete duds. This month, nothing was a dud, and I'm really excited to try all of the products here. I'm like so ready to give that primer a chance. I'm kind of upset that I didn't try it on camera, but my makeup was already done. So what are you going to do? I will be trying out the primer soon. The fragrance, like, I am really enjoying it already. It smells really nice. It's a little feminine. Like, the floral has taken over the musk, and I usually like it to be a little more musk spice. I still go typically for female fragrances, but I like them to be a little more on the neutral side. This is a little too floral for me, but I am going to see if it warms up a little bit more because it's only been a few minutes. As for the eyeshadow palette, it's a brand I'm familiar with. The product I'm sure is good. It's really a powder product that's going to blend nicely on the eyes, I'm sure, but the colors are very generic and neutral, so you'll get a neutral brown eye, but if you don't have an eyeshadow palette, it's great. If you do, I think it's just another brown eyeshadow palette. So as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear them, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!